Hello, this is Rabbit behind the camera. My daughter Kelsey. We're here at a location on Bernie Street where a bunch of sightings been happening and a lot of noises. Ooh, look. I don't know what that is. Let's walk around. There was a lady that's seen in my right sometimes in white walking through here, then she disappears. What was that? Did you hear that? Seems like somebody walking behind us.
I know.
There it is again. What the crap? Sound like someone walking.
I heard it too.
That's crazy.
What is that? Oh, okay. Alright, where are my shoes?
The video I just posted y'all a while ago with some strange lights in the sky. I really didn't know what it was. Can you see, Kelsey? There it is again. Let's walk on around these apartments here. Our location is Fort Smith. Investigating the lady in white. I just sworn I heard somebody whisper. Maybe it's just my imagination.
Oh, I heard it too.
You heard it too?
Mm-hmm.
Sound like someone said, "Hey, you come here." Or I couldn't really understand, but it's kind of what it sounded like to me.
And I heard it again.
Okay, I'm going to cut this video short. Y'all hit like and subscribe if you want to see some more videos. And I'm Rabbit, and I'm signing off, and you are
Kelsey.
And we are out of here.